Hello, dear class 10 students. I am S. Harsankar from Sacred Heart School, Raigada. Here, I would like to explain you in brief how to calculate percentage composition from the given sum. Percentage composition of a compound. Let me teach you what is percentage composition of a compound. It is defined as the percentage by weight of each element in the compound. So percentage composition, we can write it as weight of the element in one molecule of the compound by gram molecular weight of the compound into 100, because we are calculating percentage. So before we calculate the percentage composition of an element from a given compound, one should know the atomic mass unit of some important elements. See, here are the elements with its atomic mass. These are very important elements because whenever you solve a sum related to this percentage composition, you will definitely come across with these elements. Aluminium, atomic mass of aluminum is 27. Atomic mass of carbon is 12. Sodium is 21. Potassium is 39. Calcium 40. Oxygen 16. Sulfur 32. Magnesium 24. Zinc 65. Iron 56. Lead 207. Hydrogen 1. Copper 63.5. Nitrogen 14. Bromine 80. Chlorine 35.5. Phosphorus 31. Silicon 28. Fluorine 19. And silver is 108. Usually the atomic mass is measured in terms of atomic mass unit, AMU. If we express it in grams, then we say that particular number with grams. For example, silver 108, its gram atomic weight is 108 grams. Now let us take an example how to calculate the percentage composition. Calculate the percentage composition of each element in sodium hydroxide. Now here is the solution. In order to find the percentage composition, first of all, what should we do? We should find the molecular weight of the given compound. Here NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, we have to find the molecular weight. One molecule of sodium hydroxide contains one atom of sodium whose atomic mass is 23, one atom of oxygen whose atomic mass is 16, and one atom of hydrogen whose atomic mass is 1. On adding 23 plus 16 plus 1, we get 40. Therefore, molecular weight of sodium hydroxide is equal to 40. Now, molecular weight of sodium. To calculate molecular weight of sodium, percentage composition of sodium, what we do? 23 by 40 into 100. How did we write it? 23 by 40 into 100. One sodium atom atomic weight is 23 out of the molecular weight of the whole compound sodium hydroxide. So 23 by 40 into percentage calculation is into 100. It is equal to 57.5%. Now how to calculate percentage composition of oxygen. Percentage composition of oxygen. In sodium hydroxide, we have one atom of oxygen. Therefore, one atom of oxygen is 16 by molecular weight of oxygen is 40 into percentage composition. So it is 100. 16 by 40 into 100, which is equal to 40%. That means 40% of oxygen is there in one molecule of sodium hydroxide. Now, percentage composition of hydrogen in sodium hydroxide. One sodium hydroxide contains one hydrogen atom whose atomic mass is 1. So, 1 by 40 into hydrogen percentage composition into 100. That is equal to 2.5%. Let us take another question. Question number 2. Find the percentage composition of oxygen in calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate formula is CaCO3. So as usual, first of all, we should calculate the molecular weight of calcium carbonate. One molecule of calcium carbonate contains one atom of calcium, one atom of carbon, and 3 atoms of oxygen. So we can write Ca plus C plus 3 oxygen atoms, 3O. Calcium atomic weight is 40 plus carbon atomic weight is 12 plus 1 oxygen atom atomic weight is 16. Here we have 3 atoms of oxygen, so we multiply 3 into 16, which is equal to 40 plus 12 plus 48 equal to 100. Now calculating the percentage of oxygen in calcium carbonate. How to do it? One molecule of calcium carbonate contains 3 atoms of oxygen. So 3 into atomic weight of oxygen 16. 3 into 16 equal to 48. 3 into 16 equal to 48. So 48 by molecular weight of calcium carbonate is 100. So 48 by 100 into percentage composition implies into 100. So 48 by 100 into 100, that is equal to 48%. It implies one molecule of calcium carbonate contains 48% of carbon, 48% of oxygen. Okay, because we are calculating percentage composition of oxygen. So 48% of oxygen is present in one molecule of calcium carbonate. Now let us take another question. Question number 3. Find the percentage composition of sodium in sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate formula is Na2SO4. So here one molecule of sodium sulfate contains 2 atoms of sodium, 1 atom of sulfur, and 4 atoms of oxygen. In this question, he asked only to find percentage of sodium in sodium sulfate. We need not find out the percentage composition of sulfur and oxygen, only sodium. So we should calculate molecular weight of sodium sulfate, 2Na plus 1S plus 4 atoms of oxygen. 2 into 23, because atomic weight of sodium is 23, plus 1 into 32, because atomic weight of sulfur is 32, plus 4 into oxygen atomic weight is 16, 4 into 16. So finally we get 46 plus 32 plus 64, which is equal to 142. This implies one molecule of sodium sulfate molecular weight is 142. Now to calculate percentage composition of sodium, what to do? Sodium sulfate contains 2 atoms of sodium. So 2 into 23, that is 46. 46 by molecular weight of the compound 142 into 100, which is equal to 32.39%. That implies 1 molecule of sodium sulfate contains 32.39% of sodium. Similarly, we can solve any sum of this type by calculating its molecular weight and then the particular element's percentage composition. Okay, thank you dear students.